When I was younger, I used to sneeze like, achoo! Okay. And then someone came up to me one day. Not someone. My friend was by my side. And they went, it was kind of toxic, it wasn't a very nice thing to say, but they went, why are you sneezing like that? And I was like, what? And they were like, bro, you understand you don't need to make a noise when you sneeze? And I was like, oh yeah. And they were like, the only people that make noises when they sneeze are attention seekers.